And then right after her, we are flying into Nigeria, a country less powerful than Ghana. The country won independence before they did. A country as broke as we are. A country as rich as we are. A country as frustrated as we are. The only country with 3 colors in their flags, but there's only 2 colors. Show some love for my senior brother inside Nigeria all the way to Ghana. Buchi. Looking fly, super dope. Show some love for Buchi. Show some love, show some love. What's up, GH? What's up, GH? She. It's good to be back. Ghana without three. Shed some long tears. She. I just came back from my tour in Lagos. Came back with an American accent. She. I want to talk for a minute or less. If I bite my tongue for Ghana, and for news, I will say, public comedian, but you bite the tongue for stage in Ghana. It's good to be here, though, you know. You know, see one thing about Americans, where, first of all, the other American reason they go perform, they go to read that things, food. Not the apple for Africa. We pull our things with a keeper. And with the bank we give. DJ, do you work with us? Well, you give me your number and address, because. And so this way they perform. Peter, carry jacket to wait for crowd. Now listen, I pour jacket to throw it. I'll be small quarrel. Each time we bring that break up. I can tell you, man. But it's good to be here, man. I know, I just know only Nigeria and I change the effect. Everything they go up, dollar they go up. Like saying at this time, they won't say Jesus, if you have to sell because of the dollar rate. And for price tire. Everything is going up, man. She. There's no time to say she no more. I dress like that to go Yankee, I don't understand. Ghana hot, too hot for this jacket actually. I set myself up. Very soon I'll be like someone stepping out of a microwave. But we did there, we died there. I'm not going anywhere. But see, everybody, I never love the dance down. I never like that. Yeah, it's there, you know, man. She, it's pop it, yeah. Now people will not get angry, I started dance. Inside club, they don't get angry, just the dance. So see it. You will know it's for this club. Now, so that's why they call it dab. That's the truth. That's the true story. Dab. Now people, you know, people like cripples. Now people will not get hand. They're just stranded. They don't be dance. They're going to beg people. Let me dab. I beg. You dab your dab my dab. But see the thing. See the kind of dances Americans bring. Easy dance. You don't even sweat. You do the dance. 3 hours they dance. I don't know why we Africans, anything, our dance, we get died. We just get to kill ourselves. But no one the best rich Nigerians. If we see anything, we take it to the next level. Anything at all, we take it to the next level. Not be Ghana, as not to start. Soft and simple, the initial time. Before I reach Lagos. Plenty has not to beat for me. I come Ghana when the dance will start. I just say, man, this dance is nice. See, Ghana has a type of club. Then they dance, nobody they blow anybody for eye. You don't be dancing on you're on your spot. Your girl on her spot. And I just do, you know. Wait. My sister, you not go sit down one place, bro. I know one girl's not dressed fine, they can piece. peace fish 12 times today. Please say you get bladder problem. You know go sit down one place. No, girls, you people are very vain. Because you wear me shoe. Excuse me, not the peace. Excuse me. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. They go back to, oh, hope they notice me. Now let me go back. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. You go use peace kill yourself there today. How about that? Don't sit down one place. I don't know girls, when I get problem of peace, I guess always peace together. I don't know why. Now the plan on that peace. It's okay? Is your peace ready? Tell me. Jacinta, where's your peace? Group. I don't know, just imagine I want your piece. I said, I'm borrowing, you like this? Have fun. Okay, you want peace? I will go peace. They could avoid you. But that guy, I just suspect him. That's why they like to peace with fellow men. That's the one place. And guess what? They peace in group. If you keep any guy here, you carry more than one girl. And your matter they discuss. Girls are heartless. They're not going to peace now, they go to judge for mirror. I don't understand though. Have you noticed his shoe? You know since we got for us a cigar, this guy will frustrate us, so we better look for someone else. We didn't say, baby, where are you guys? We just went to powder our nose. Now your career, they go powder. And my guy, they laugh. You know since that's his guest they bring. I spoke on his behalf. Play also for me. When you start time, can you have to dance now? They're not the fight. No fight. I need the dance come Lagos. Nigerians take the dance to another level. If you play beats like this for club for Lagos, plan. First of all, I say, hey, Opa, sing you. Make way. Hey, where now? Hey. My eye pops my nose. We must lose power to our team. Stress. That's why now, every Nigerian musician. Wait. I'm going to see where I was for the camera. No, the jacket been there, I use that for a while. It was very expensive. Me walk the walk. I will bear the burden. But nobody send me message. Every Nigerian musician, once you have a song, you must put dance. Yes. That's the real thing. YBNL. Shakiti Bobo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Shaki. 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 Every musician wants to dance. MC Galas, they don't sing. Oh yeah, second. And the problem with Nigeria, once they hear it, they take a personal, especially if they stop them. How to dance the dance for your song. Then the class says, oh yeah, one hand for your waist. You go see people go gather and sit there for rehearsals. Tony, stay front, not they take my space and then that club we take. One hand on your waist, one on your chest. Oh yeah, second. The problem now is if your girlfriend, they dance the dance. And she dance, go this side. There's a problem because there's no way you can dance back. On only one side they dance go. So that you can say, baby, remain there, they will soon change the song. That's what my guy, he enter show, he don't get money for tickets. He just don't enter show, beginning of the show, just a connect wire. Show starts, just begin dance, but see groove. Oh yeah, second, now his head scatter. Second. He passed the first bouncer. Second. Pass police. Second. Pass army. Second. Now I remember saying no get tickets to enter. That's okay. Second. Think of this preach. And I said, hey, where's your ticket? He can't explain. It's like you don't remember me again. Not too long, I just second. I just want to second back here. We must dance. Every musician they won't dance. Apart from Korede Bello. God do win. The guy dance on dance, nobody answer him. If I be like me, they do convulsion. Nobody answer him. Only you got to dance this dance on this song. I say idiots, you know before. Who you want stress? All our things have power. See, you get, do you have Bobby Smoother? Find out. And go to Google or Facebook, just maybe it's a popular song. When I die a day. No wonder all these Ghana comedians they carry water on stage. They know say na fire they come. And they know the advice us when they visit us. But they tell us that, so why are you going to stage? You need water and ice. What? You don't say, wait, to get my phone, on your Bluetooth. But see, don't play the American song for me. See, Americans, I didn't like to go to that dance. It's easy, they don't like stress. Damn. Shit. Play any song when they play for America, I mean anyone at all.
Don't you open up that window?
Yes, this is America.
Don't you let out that window?
Inside club. They're not taking themselves.
Don't go through the front door. It's no key at the night show. So don't you open up that window?
I dance with that. Hila. We need to blow somebody. Let's Maya for me, Sanko. Hey, my sing group. Hey. That's of all we Nigerians. Would they like use every part of our body now? Hey. Wait, thank you, my brother. You're a good man. You know, say if I collapse, they will say that witchcraft. Thank you. Please, are you part of us? I know there's a package, you know. Packaging like Santa for you, we're saying, let's come. Father God, I give you praise. Deliverance is real. I tell you, I love it. You see, in my country, we believe in God. Because if the economy hits you, you will look for God. The way the economy had now, Muslims, they don't ask Jesus for help. Can't even like Jesus. And die with it. You know, when the economy don't hold us connect. Before big boys they enter club, you get champagne. Will. Now, big boys they don't enter club. Shit, how are you? So what do you want? Just give me cigar too. I don't have light at home. I just want to watch the match. He had for everybody. I said just recently, they start going to give us 40 million. Our pastors in Nigeria, they took it to the next level. So they sack person, they pay. Pastors not believe you. They come to next Sunday, you see message. Some of you here are praying for promotion. Shut up! Change your prayer. Pray for sack. People first they wonder, how? Mourinho was sacked and the Lord shocked him with 40 million pounds. I got the word other than God signed up for yes. God surprised him with 40 million naira. And you are here praying for promotion. Pray for sack. See the food church. Father, sack me. Wow, I resign. I quit. Now look at the son of the company where they quit from. If you work for NEPA, lights, and you resign, they'll give you 4 candles. They call me to, and the thing I don't like about our pastors, when you go they pray, they go they tell you say they shout. That's why you they pray. Give. Open your mouth and pray. You pray. God, but I can't hear you. God, they hear pastor. Open your mouth and pray. You go say, Father God, we need to pray. Shout. I can't hear you. Now you will pray. Give. God, they complain. You can't hear. Now you will ask our prayer. God, don't pray. Give the year now. If our voice crack, I will ask God for prayer point when the time reach. No, they shout for our country. What? Nigerians will love to shout. If Nigerians whisper to open, you know what it happened? They don't happen. I whisper to that too. No, that's how we whisper. Why is it Nigerians? We get some games where they know they play for Nigeria. We can't play cricket. You know what it means? So you all give angry Nigerians big mood. Say no, they play game. We don't agree. Red, we don't blow. Wait till you blow. Wait till you blow. You don't know what to do. Wait till you blow. Any game where they use wood, they're not the plan for Nigeria. We're not the play baseball. Oh, why they worry now? Not they look my back. Golf when they use pole, only big men they play. Because if you buy one golf, when they put a golf bat, I do not pole, if you know not to spend, you're not going to take a 5 minutes. That's the country we live in. I can't come down, I can't hear people they complain. Oh, the economy is hard, the economy is hard. I can't they wonder. Why not they collect our hardness? Why not they try to take our hardship? Dollar go up here too. Dollar not go up, baby. People when they shout now, people when nobody even know how much dollar be now. Now girls, how you go? Now girls know the exact amount dollar be any day. If you didn't argue dollar rate, call any of your girlfriend. Hello baby, how much is dollar now? 450. Girls too sharp. Well, that's the truth. Girls are sharp. But wait, I won't drink tea. I tell you I won't drink tea now. Bring the one we call already. This kind of condition like this, sleeping on water for me. You not get hurt. Girls too sharp. You never, you know, before when you go to an ATM, big boys, they spread. Bing, 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 bing. Now, excuse me, do I know you, please? Please, go back, my young man, go back. I don't know you. I'm trying to hide my pain here. Please, excuse me. Look, I'll do it to you here. I said shift back. Tio. The ATM just split money. They got the picture for grant. Guess who's sharp? A girl standing behind you from the sound of the machine, she know how much you collect. It cannot be winch. I don't know they calculate. They just listen. Watch, sit tight. Just listen. That's 5. That's 5. That's about money. Me, if girls there for queue, and they die here. And they spread. Bing, 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 order. Bing, 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 bing. Then I shift back. Hello? No, I just want to pick up some change for the weekend. No, just a few things. Buy water for free, you know. Okay, Mike, call you back. As they come back, and the girls will come. Oh, are you a nice guy? With the money, I don't collect all the money. I agree there, collect phone number. I go straight into the banking hall, pay everything back. Until my class go come out. The grace. We'll scam ourselves to death. Lagos na land of scam, my brother. We're not they give up, bro. Everybody na scam. Because we who get, we don't know who not get. About the package. And because price tag na 400 now. Iron your shirts to spread. Lagos now people they wake up angry. Nobody offended, they just vex. As they trek, they can't see you for your jeep for traffic. They'll call this man. The rich also cry. Because then they go use the traffic. They be vex. And see, Ghana not get traffic now. I don't get traffic. No, that's not traffic. You don't get traffic 18 hours for one spot. Traffic. I go drop my brother for airport. The traffic go America 13 hours. He called me when he don't land for New York. Bros, I don't land, I still get traffic on my brother. Another near house. Lagos traffic, you go sweat, you can't lose weight. Nobody they juggle. No, just enter traffic. When heat don't torture you, you can't dry up. But you know the people are respecting Lagos traffic. Those hawkers. Because just as you know your work as a banker, those hawkers, they know say, now I work with this traffic, we know when it will clear. You will just enter, you are feeling pompous, it will deal with you. You just come to AC type. The first come your class with gala. Gala. Nobody think of it provoke you. Now your cost spread right now. Are you mad? Are you mad? Can't you see my car? Do I look like someone that will eat gala on this hot afternoon? I said, come on, get away from there. The guy said, bros, you never reach fights. We did. Now, 3 hours later, you still there where you did. Only you, your fuel don't they come down. They come off AC, off radio. I see the radio, they receive the fear. Now you come wind down. Now they can't get direct access to you. They can't come now slowly. Gala. Alpha. This time now, your condition don't change, hunger don't set in. So now you can't shout, young man, I'm not here for Gala. Embarrassing me. Take your Gala, get away from there. I'm idiot. The guy will say, bros, don't worry, but he will tell you. We still there. 5 hours later now, you don't for your seat, go back. Now you know they talk, you go just the pass. Just a wave the Gala. Now you, out of shame, you can't bring your voice down. See the back. I can't talk, how we go kill you, talk. Gala, princess, I bet princess, I bet princess. Bring your water to us. Lagos traffic blow. Lagos traffic, they kill our governor siren. Only governor like they shout, we are, not me. Make way. And the funny thing, you know, like when you travel abroad, if you hear ambulance, nobody they tell you, you just come off a road. You just give way. Lagos. I said, where did they go? Where did they craze? Come pass, look at Sina, I'm be fool. I said, remain there. The guy will say, oh God, when I fly. When they go, we the guy don't die, they're alive. He don't late, now we the hurry, they there. He did craze. That's the way they're pregnant, we're not going to me not pass Lagos traffic. You're bound for them. You know how many children that don't go for traffic? So that the traffic, they don't want another one. Hey, traffic baby. Man, as giddy pumping. Economy stop. You all see girls now. They never travel. For Lagos, all of them get British accents. Where British embassy they don't know. Oh my gosh, it's bloody hot. It's a bloody hot in Lagos, it's bloody hot. It's bloody winning. Oh, bloody block, oh my gosh. And then they answer, they carry the go club, they give the tequila. Alcohol brings out the real you in you. After 6 shots, my brother, I don't suffer. I mean, they do, oh my gosh, for real, nigga, for real. My brother, leave. Wrong repeat, he goes speak Chinese for these niggas. He goes, everybody must come. You see, girls in Lagos, they don't have car, but they know every function for every car just by looking at what? The car key. They're so sharp. They just enter club, see your car key. Oh my God, is that Range 2015 limited edition? You're shocked. How did you know? Oh, I'm into cars. If girl tell you I'm into cars, let me say she enter different cars. Let me say she said, I'm just into cars. That's why I can carry a guest because that's what does it do? I said, come down, come down. Don't ask me anything for any information you want to use on your desktop. Come down, idiot. That's why now. But first of all, guys, let me just give you the secret. If you have a car and you get plenty keys attached to that one car key, your key bundle pass 45 keys. No girl go near you. Oh, you have a big bundle of keys for your waist. You can't go club, put the top of them. The key going to like tambourine. The only guy said, please, what's that? Oh, my car key, gate key, generator key, compact key, toilet key, cupboard key, Indomie cupboard key, gate man key, my small cupboard in the room key. Wait, even if you be jailer, then you pack that plenty key for one car. Then you go put one long chain, one chain for your waist. In case they won't take that single key, they take your waist. Big men, yeah, one single key, big boy. Don't carry a single key, no key holder, nothing. If they're different, you call the insurance. Hello. Big man always a laugh. Nothing they go through, you must laugh. What are my bank accounts they think of? I don't know. I've just robbed the game. You took my car, idiots. Okay, send one down. Okay. Poor man. Oh! Then I take the water, they forgive me. Then if I don't get life, it better. My children go to sticker, they hustle. They take the car. Oh! He go roll enter express. Oh, God, come on, me want to knock you. Me want to kill me. I get motor before. I get. But that person that want to kill me. Wow! Poor man must shout. Single key. Big boys, you don't enter club with a single key. Put on top table, bam. You see the girls, so they go, oh my God, is that the G-Wagon limited edition? Because they see big car, they get assets. I don't understand that. If not car man, they speak to you. Alpha, where do they go? You they go? Okay. But if they see big car, oh my gosh, really? Really? Like, oh my gosh. Like, no cars. So now, everybody they scam each other from Lagos. Boys, you know they buy car. Who will scam ourselves time? Not to scam me, scam. They don't go buy car key, they're not fish out. Bike, they're not get, but they don't buy car key. As they enter club, they spread iron your shirt. First of all, a girl tell me, say, sometimes it's easy to know if a guy drove. I say, how? Girls too sharp. They say when the guy they talk, say, you know, I've been in traffic driving, they don't look back off in shirts. If the shirt smooth, let me say, not sit down. They fly your car, so not to squeeze the shirts. So boys like they come club, they go to left, they increase. One person they squeeze the shirts, they're not there. It was come on myself. Single key on top table. We all see the girls, we just enter. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is that one of yours? That's the limited edition, the Range 2017, right? You see the guy. It's one of mine. Oh, really? Well, let's see, they tell our friends, Tonya, I'm gonna hook up with you guys, okay? I see ya. I'm good here, alright? Alright, catch ya. Sharp guy, as you get one order, then they stand up, baby, let's go. That's not about no, where I parked is far. So let's just go. And now suffer won't start. You guys still speak English the first 15 minutes. So, where did you really park? That is front. When I came, no space here, so front. 1 hour later, the guy now to come back home. My brother, where did you really park, please? Just be frank, we are human beings. Open up to me, where did you park? You'll see the guy. We are almost there. It's very close. 3 hours later, the guy that is sweat. She don't pull her eyes, pull her for hands. Pull her wig. From what waist trainer. Now with tears, she dey beg again. If you not get motor, you not get motor. In front, we have been tracking 3 hours. Even if I get crazy, I don't cure. If you don't get sister, you don't get mama. You don't get conscious. The guy goes, without a chance. Ladies and gentlemen, GH, thank you for having me.
No wonder. Guess the boy sweating. K1 freestyle all day, some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know. Here the super stay low. Me, I've got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to choose life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause statistics try overcome separately.